Insta Etch marking systems, app settings, reporting, and theft lookup module. Insta Etch can report previously printed stencils via email or save the file to your device. First, you should set your email address. This is found within the app main menu, then Settings. Click the email field and enter the address of where to send your reports. Now enter the default subject line for the transmitted email report. Lastly, enter a name for the attached Excel-style report on stencils previously printed. Now you're ready to transmit reports. Make sure your Android is connected to the internet and navigate to History. Within History, you may recall previous stencils or click Reports to generate a CSV file. Customize the report by time frame. You can select a certain custom saved layout or choose to report all designs. Finally, click to email or save the Excel file to your device or SD card. You will see an on-screen prompt if transmission was successful. More settings: set language, barcode scanning functions, and timer. Navigate to the Insta Etch main menu, then Settings. There is an option to change the on-screen language. You may also change the on-screen font type and size, and whether you receive device feedback on errors. The option to preview your print margins may be beneficial to fine-tune your stencils. If you use Insta Etch for vehicle security etching, VIN correction is useful to correct a scanned VIN barcode automatically. In a similar fashion, scanning data extraction will extract the last string of characters from a scanned barcode. For example, if you scan a 17-digit VIN but only want to design a stencil with just the last 7 digits, set data extraction to 7. Different etching types or conditions require differing etch process times. You may set the default time for your background timer. As you see, there are numerous options to fine-tune the app to your specs. VINcomplete Insta Etch vehicle theft status lookup for US and Mexico. When you are designing a new stencil and you input or scan a valid VIN, the VINcomplete theft lookup option is shown. You must be connected to the internet for this link to work. You may choose the US Theft Database. This is the official NICB government website. The VIN is automatically saved to the device clipboard. Press and hold your finger on the VIN field to give you the option to paste this VIN. The VIN check service will give you current status and any previous theft reports. Return to the app to alternatively check the Mexican government VIN check service. The second field is where you should long press. Basically, press and hold your finger on the field to paste the VIN. Enter the verification code in the picture and press Buscar. If the vehicle VIN is US-based, there should be 0 records found. You may also see records if it was ever registered in Mexico. After checking vehicle theft status, you may proceed to print stencils. Contact Insta Etch today for your VIN etching vehicle security systems.